Hi guys, this is Erica from Gokce Capital. Now before I begin, be sure to click subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Chris Bertinelli looked out his window one May morning and noticed something strange. What was it? We'll find out at the end of this video. But first, do you have a metal grate in your yard or street? It's probably a catch basin, and in today's video we have the top things you need to know. Number 1. What is a catch basin? A catch basin is essentially a storm drain that is used to redirect water away from a house or street and into the public sewer or drainage system. This is to prevent flooding. Number 2. How does a catch basin work? To keep out large debris, rain catch basins are covered with a heavy metal grate. There is also an inlet pipe through which water enters. Smaller debris settles on the bottom, and the excess water goes out an outlet pipe to be redirected to a reservoir sump or municipal water treatment service. Number 3. Do homes need catch basins? While most modern homes no longer require one, older houses may, as they are often connected to an older municipal treatment facility that does not have the capacity to handle residential runoff. Number 4. If you do have a catch basin, how do you know if it is clogged? Well, the biggest flag is water pooling around the surface of your storm drain. You may also notice debris, plant matter, or ice covering the surface of the grate. And if you take a closer look, another good sign is that a lot of sediment has collected at the bottom of the basin, making it difficult to drain effectively. And number 5, how do you maintain your catch basin? The biggest thing you can do is periodically clean debris off the surface of the catch basin. You can also do your best to ensure that only rainwater makes its way inside. But in the end, it is always best to have regular visits by a professional to vacuum the catch basin. Also, while you're monitoring your catch basin, don't forget to check for ducks, an item that Chris Bertinelli certainly won't be forgetting anytime soon. One early May morning, Chris looked out his window and noticed a distressed duck pacing around the catch basin outside his Staten Island home. He went over to investigate and heard little chirping sounds coming from the catch basin. When he looked inside, he found 10 baby ducklings trapped and peeping anxiously. Almost immediately after, a city truck arrived, alerted by 2 pedestrians who had heard the distressed ducklings earlier that morning. John and Jeff of the Department of Environmental Protection got out of the truck and walked over to Chris. An older man who lived a few houses over appeared with a milk crate, while Chris ran to his neighbor's house for a crab net. Then, John and Jeff opened the catch basin with a bar and ever so slowly scooped the ducklings out one by one, while Chris placed them in the milk crate. When the basin was empty, the trio then brought the crate over to a park near Signs Road, where they released the ducklings into the grass. Once freed, the little ducks clumped together until the mother found them, and safely reunited, the ducklings all jumped on her. Though this story has a happy ending, it is sadly not an isolated event. Apparently, the grates of catch basins are quite enticing for baby ducks. So, if you have one on or near your property, keep your eyes and ears open. You may be called on to complete your own rescue mission. But what do you think? Do you have any stories about catch basins? Let us know in the comments. Did you like this video? You're going to love our Gokce Land Due Diligence program. We'll make you a land due diligence expert in just 7 days. Check it out at gokcecapital.com/glad. And while you're at our website, don't forget to explore our $1 down properties at gokcecapital.com/listings. Finally, don't hesitate to reach out. You can email, call, or text, and we will respond as soon as possible. So thank you for listening, and more to come.